Hi guys, so this is an update to yesterday's video. Please watch the video just to get an idea of the challenge that I'm having with my BMW E46 automatic transmission. It's a 318i. I love the car. I have other cars, but I just love that car. I've got an attachment to it, but it has been giving me a so I've yesterday I basically looked at all the possibilities. Eventually I decided to look at the fuses. So I checked all the fuses in the glove box and they seem to be working fine. And then I decided to go to the engine side fuse box, where you also find this particular fuse containment thing or the engine control module, but it has got 5 fuses. It has got 5 fuses, and I have tried to search online to see which fuse goes with which fuse, and I cannot. Well, which there's no diagrams online about which fuse goes with which component. But if you see this particular fuse, the 40 amp, which I'd put in there, bad idea. The reason that I need a solution is I noticed that the first fuse, this empty slot, the first 30 amp fuse, if it goes in like this, putting it back like that, you get a clear idea of what I'm talking about. So the first 30 amp fuse, if you are looking at it this way, this is W6 318i, it was blown. This is the original fuse. I discovered that it was basically blown. So I changed it with another 30 amp fuse, and the warnings on the dash for the oil lamp, for the oil level, and the transmission basically went away. Then, however, as I drove around the block, that fuse again blew. The moment that warning came back on the dashboard, and I went back and opened this fuse box, I discovered that it was blown again, and I decided to just test out and put in a 40 amp, which is a bad idea. Defeats the whole purpose of having a fuse, but again it blew away. Now, what I cannot find online is which component goes with this first 30 amp. All the descriptions online, some deal with the second fuse or maybe the last fuse, but I cannot find anyone who has an idea of which component goes directly is connected with this first 30 amp. So if you have an idea, please assist me in understanding which component goes with this first 30 amp. Probably that's the component that has got a problem, that is blowing those fuses. And probably if I can find or identify that component, unfortunately this thing doesn't say, and there's nothing elsewhere that says which component directly goes with the first fuse. I've watched one video where they say the second 30 amp is connected to the transmission. All these other 4 fuses, they are fine. All these other 4 fuses, they are fine, except this first one. And unfortunately, nobody seems to know which component goes directly with that 30 amp. So please give me an idea of which fuse goes with that 30 amp. Thank you for your help. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd like to understand which fuse goes with that first 30 amp so that I can be able to diagnose that component. It might be what is causing all these headaches for me. Thanks, guys.